Getting the index of the returned max or min item using max per minute, on a list. I'm using Python's max and min functions on list for a minimax algorithm, and I need the index of the value returned by max or min. In other words, I need to know which move produced the max, at a first player's turn, or min, second player, value. I need to be able to return the actual index of the min or max value, not just the value.
Say that you have a list values equals 3, 6, 1, 5, and need the index of the smallest element, I_min equals 2 in this case. Avoid the solution with item getter presented in the other answers, and use instead. Because it doesn't require to import operator nor to use enumerate, and it is always faster benchmark below than a solution using item getter. If you are dealing with NumPy arrays or can afford NumPy as a dependency, consider also using. This will be faster than the first solution even if you apply it to a pure Python listif. It is larger than a few elements, about 2-4 elements on my machine. You can afford the memory copy from a pure list to a NumPy array. As this benchmark points out, I have run the benchmark on my machine with Python 2.7 for the two solutions above: blue, pure Python, first solution; red, NumPy solution, and for the standard solution based on item getter, black, reference solution. The same benchmark with Python 3.5 showed that the methods compare exactly the same of the Python 2.7 case presented above.
You can find the min/max index and value at the same time if you enumerate the items in the list, but perform min/max on the original values of the list. Like so. This way the list will only be traversed once for min, or max.
If you want to find the index of max within a list of numbers, which seems your case, then I suggest you use NumPy.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.